Welcome to the DEC navigation tutorial video. For this course, you will have access to two courses in Blackboard, the DEC course and the DEC companion. Let's start by looking at the DEC course. Once you're in the DEC course, you will notice that most of the modules are not available. You can see them, but you cannot access the content in the modules. In order to open up the modules as you work through the course, you must complete all of the assignments in the module that precedes it. Let's take a look at the Start Here module. This module contains all of the welcome and introduction information for the course, the syllabus, instructions about course layout and navigation, achievement bags, and then the first course intro tasks that you must complete before you move on to the first module, as well as support information. To begin working in the module, select the top item in the module. You can read, watch, and interact with all of the content and scroll down till you've viewed and interacted with all of it. Once you've done that, you notice there's a Next button at the top right of the screen. You can select that button and it will take you to the next item in the course. If you come across any documents that look like this, in order to view them without having to download them, select the Preview File button. This opens up the file so that you can view it. If you'd like to download it, use the Download button, or if you need it downloaded in an alternative format, use the Download Alternative Format button. We can click Previous to go back to the previous page, or click Next to move on to the next page. Please be sure to read all the information in the Start Here module before you begin your course intro tasks. In the course intro task, you will have a course navigation and syllabus quiz, a pre-assessment survey, and an introduce yourself discussion. At the end of every module, there will be a module completion statement. It's necessary that this is completed at the end of each module, as completing this statement will open up the next module for you in the course. This allows you to work at your own pace while you keep in mind that there are soft deadlines for the course. After you complete the module completion statement, you'll notice that the next module in line is open and available for you to work through. Again, please be sure to work through all of the information in each module as you go through the course. Now let's take a look at the companion course. The companion course has information that you can use. These are template modules that give you directions and guidance on how to use Blackboard and some outlines as well. But at the very top, we have our companion course module, which has directions for using the course, and you will notice that each of you have your own learning module as well. If you open your learning module, you will see 3 module folders that correspond with the 3 module assignments that will be completed and submitted in this companion course and in the DEC course. Please note that this companion course you have instructor access to, so anything you move around or delete or add will be seen and visible to everyone in the course. Please be sure that you are only working in your module when you're in this companion course. Feel free to copy any of the content from the sample modules to put in your own course if you want.